Hello everyone, I will introduce you to CN402's coursework. First of all, I set two navigation bars. When click on them, you will jump to the corresponding interface. Yes. And which are movies and game. Below is a slideshow gallery. You can click on them and see the movie posters and names. Otherwise, here's the movie list. Fast and Furious. You can check all the movies Fast and Furious and Godfather. If you want to play one of the movie, click on Godfather. Yeah, it will play Godfather. It will harmful white people. Man Black. Yeah, Man Black. The next below is the introduction of the video player. And the button can perform the corresponding functions. Can play, full screen, mute, unmute, volume down, volume up, and play all. Yeah, if you enter play all after the movie is end, it will play next movies. Yeah, it will be the loop. It will be a loop. Yeah, next is counter for white people. Yeah, if you click stop play all after in the end, it will play this again. Yeah, and here's the button. If you wanna, you can choose the movie you like. Otherwise, and that's the code. The main code is about auto and videos. I set all this movie into a map. Then it's the slideshow. It's all slideshow functions. Yeah, that's about this. Then slideshow functions. Then update functions. Update this text. The text is there. All these three is a text and in a class which name the text. And yeah, and I update text according to the current number. Yeah, and then next is the poster. Update the poster. The current poster according to the current poster. That's the current poster's numbers, and we'll update next and previous posters. Then is the movie source, which means the movie you want to play. Yeah, it will according to the number. That's just play selectors. It means if you want to play, it used to there. If you want to play first, if number is 0, number is 1, number is 2. Yeah, that's its functions, and it's play previous and play next functions. Next, this is the this animation about untitled click. Then is play all functions. I set the flag on this. If the flag is false, so it will play the click the movie. And if the flag is true, it will always play the next movies. Stop play, which means the flag will be false. Then is the volume up and down functions. That's the movie functions. And the video jazz is mainly about this progress bar. You can click to anywhere and clicking the screen. Yeah, fetch all the variables you need, and it's a video in it. And you can see mouse over, fast switch mouse over into this. Yeah, that's all the show controls functions. It will be used being event to, yeah, and that's the event functions. Play and full screen functions. Yeah, here's the important progress video bar. Okay, now this is the game interface, which function like restart, random shuffle. If two cards are same, yeah, which means the successful, yeah, the match number will change and total is 6. If you click this restart, then the game will restart again. Yeah, and otherwise shuffle means the card will change. Yeah. Okay, that's easily functions, and then we check for the code. That's the game HTML. That's the navigation bars. That's all the navigation bars, and we use this. We collect all this card into a section about memory game section class. Each image have two faces, yeah, back and front. Back is this, and front is the movie posters. And this characteristic is important for matching, because yeah, that's if movie data is same about the card, yeah, this which means it's the match. And then it's JavaScript about game. We use card to fetch all the memory card. Yeah, that's all the label. The flip card, which is when we click this, the card will flip. It will monitor the first card and the second card. If you click two card, and it will check for match. How check for match? The first card data set movie equals to second card data set movie. Yeah, that's the match. This part, yeah, just compare this part. If it's match, it will disable card, which means the card will not flip again. Yeah, that's a disable card again. Yeah, it will remove the listener about click and update the matching number. Then reset the ball. How is it reset ball? Reset ball means if two cards match, the ball is changed. So we will use reset ball functions to solid this positions. And if not unflip card, the card will flip again. So yeah, that's the unflip card after 1 second. This is a random shuffle function because it's a immediately invoke functions expression. Yeah, it will execute immediately after the game is before the game started. So the card will shuffle, and let's play shuffle is the same as the shuffle. So it used for this shuffle balance, and that is used before the game is started. And the card for each will add listener to click